Hello friends, my name is Gurjeet Singh, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you that how you can restore your PC if you get stuck in the loop of recovering options. They are not able to restore your Windows somehow or the other. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you the exact steps you need to follow. Make sure that your data would be safe and your Windows would be restored perfectly. Most probably it can be done, but nevertheless we're not sure. It's like I'm showing you this video, I also face this problem, and people think that once it's not you're not able to restore your Windows, most probably you need to format it. No, it's not like that. I'll tell you the very easy steps. Just follow that and I'm sure anyone can do it. Okay, so number one is try to restore the option from the recovery options, right? Try to restore it, find the restore point, like maybe the any of the other restore point is there, and if somehow you're not able to find it, and it still says that it's sorry, like your Windows cannot be restored, or try the other restore point, then at that point of time what you need to do is you need to buy the another USB drive. Buy the USB drive, or if you have any spare, just connect to another PC, make that USB a bootable Windows drive. Okay, once you do that, connect again back to your corrupted PC, and then what you need to do is, first of all, you need to load that, you need to boot it from the USB drive and check that your all your existing drives are there or not, and the letter is assigned. Okay, once you see that if it's there, it's fine. If it's not, because most probably you will not see it because you have connected the external USB drive and your Windows is already corrupted, you're not able to restore it, then what you need to do is you need to download the VMD driver. And for every brand, it must be there on their brand page, like HP support page or Dell support page or Asus support page, wherever whatever you're having the laptop. Okay, so just install the VMD driver from the company original support page of your exact model, and once you do that, you need to install on your USB drive and again plug back to your corrupted laptop, and you need to just follow certain steps to check that your volumes are there, your drives are there. And once you see that, you need to select the drive where your Windows is installed. Okay, because actually even if you have installed on C drive, but since you have connected your pen drive, maybe your drive letter would be changed. So you need to find that first, that which volume, the list volumes you need to see, that which volume has like how much space and where the Windows is installed. That's very important to find the exact drive where the Windows is installed, even after plugging the pen drive. Once you do that, what you need to do is you need to then try to resolve your problem through the basic commands which I have mentioned here in my presentation. Okay, and if somehow you're not able to do that from these options also, try to do the chat GPT or Google the exact error. And since Windows has already been loaded to your pen drive, you'll definitely get the answer for that how to repair it, delete it, or rename it. Once you do that, I'm 100% sure your Windows would be restored and you can easily log in back to your computer. But the most important thing is you always need to make sure that the Windows files is going to be on the separate drive, and your data should be on the other drive, so that if anything happens to your Windows, it should not impact on the data, right? This is very important. So if you follow these kind of a basic rules, it's always going to help you, because I know the pain that if someone lose their all the data and they have not take any backup, since it's everything is digital now. So it's very important to make sure that no one face these kind of a problem. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like it, and if you like it and it somehow helped you, just do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.